Let's do a walkthrough of a way to use duplicate and repeat with rotate in Tinkercad's 3D editor to make designs like these. I want to turn this box into a diamond shape, so I'll rotate it 45 degrees, remembering to keep my mouse within the degree ring of the rotation circle so that it rotates in 22.5 degree increments. Then I'll make it skinnier and longer. Next, I'll bring out a cylinder that I'll size down a bit and max out the number of sides so it's smoother. Now I'll hit the duplicate button or click Ctrl D to copy the diamond. I can align these shapes with the Align button or just typing an L, and they align properly in one axis but not the other. I'll undo that, move the diamonds a little closer together, shift-click on each diamond but not the cylinder, then click Command G to group them. The diamonds now act like one object, and they will align properly with the cylinder. I'll click Command D to duplicate and repeat, and I'll be sure to not click elsewhere. Now, when I keep hitting Command D, it will rotate copies by that same amount. Let's work with a torus shape next. Here are the dimensions I'm working with, and you can experiment with the properties that you like. I'll stretch out the torus with one of the black handles and then duplicate it. Slide it over with my left arrow key. Select both shapes and use my duplicate and repeat trick to spin them around. Here's another trick. To make 3D printing this more likely to be successful, I'll raise the height of the design to 10 millimeters, then add a box that's a hole at half that height, 5 millimeters. When I group these, it will slice off the bottom half, making the bottom flat and better for printing. Type the letter D to drop it to the work plane. Finally, there's even more we can do with a torus. I'll give this one similar properties as the first. Now I'll rotate it 45 degrees up, type the letter D to place it on the work plane, hit Ctrl D to duplicate it, type an M or click the mirror button, and then flip the copy in the opposite direction. Slide the copy over with my left arrow key, select both, duplicate and repeat, then rotate. I'll add a base shape, but I'll group the torus shapes before aligning them to the base. Hope this was interesting. I have a bunch of other videos with similar content. Thanks.